Okay, so today I'm going to show you how to contact other teachers around the world through Microsoft Education and also attempt to schedule a mystery Skype with another teacher. So I go to education.microsoft.com, and of course you need an account. So you will need to sign in. So you click on sign in, then you can sign in with either your 365 account, Office, Skype, Facebook, or Twitter. Once you're logged in, you go to Skype in the classroom, and then you choose Mystery Skype right here in the blue circle. Then you go down. You have two ways to watch this list. You can have it on tile or map. So if you click on map, it's easier because then you can see who's in your time zone. So once you click on map, slowly the map will upload, and you will be able to see all the teachers in the countries that you want. For instance, if you want to contact a teacher in Italy, I can click on this emoji. Okay, so here in Italy, I can see this teacher, and I can click on more. And already I can see that she's 1 hour, and I can click on request a mystery Skype, and I can write, "Hi, Chiara. I would love to do a mystery Skype session with your class. We can do it on Fridays. Will you be able to? Would love to hear from you. You can email me at Tel Aviv." Send. So now we can see that the host will receive an email notify them of the request, of your request. The host will contact you via email or Skype to arrange a date and time for your connection. Close. Another thing that we can see here is the schedule. We can see that she didn't mark her availability, so we don't really know if she's available. We can see that she teaches ages 11 to 13, and also what she writes about herself. That is right here. So she says she likes culture, so we can have a mystery Skype and then maybe have a conversation about our cultures. And that's it. Goodbye.